Hi students, hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the last class, we have done the revision for our second midterm assessment. Today, we are going to discuss the questions on second midterm assessment. By this class, the students are able to evaluate themselves based on their assessment. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the question paper of second midterm internal assessment. So the first question is, identify the common name of the software from the picture given below. So I have given a picture here. I have given this picture in your notebook also. So this picture represents what? Which software? Yes, the answer is web browser. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge. These three are commonly known as what? Web browser. So the answer is web browser. Now we will move to the next question. Second question. Dash option is used to show labels of the points in GeoGebra window. So we all know the answer is show label. Okay. So the option which is used to show labels of the points in GeoGebra window is known as show label options. Okay, so I have shown you in the video and also I have given you in the note. Okay, what is the use of show label option? Now we will move to the next question. Third question. Yahoo and Bing are the examples of what? Yes, you all know search engines. Yahoo, Bing, Google, MSN, DuckDuckGo. These are the examples of search engines. Now we will move to the fourth question. So I will show you the question paper. This is the fourth question. Ammu tried to open the software as given below. Okay. So I have given you two options to open the software, GeoGebra and Firefox. Okay. But these are wrong. Here it is wrong. You have to correct the mistake done by Ammu to open the following software. You have to correct it here. So what is the first one? Applications, Office, GeoGebra. Whether this is the right answer? No. How to open GeoGebra? You all know. First you have to go to application. What should be the second step? Yes, education. But here it is Office. So this is the mistake done by Ammu. Here, Office. So what is the correct answer? Here I have written in the answer key, application, education, GeoGebra. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay. Now what is the second mistake done by Ammu? Application, graphics, Firefox. Whether this is right? No. How to open Firefox? This is the correct answer. Applications, Internet, Firefox. So you have to correct these two mistakes. Okay. So hope this is also very clear for you. Now, fifth question is a table. So I'll show in the question paper. Here you can see the fifth question. Complete the table given below. So this left side is name of the tools and right side it is uses of these tools. So what is the first answer? Used to draw a segment. So you all know which tool? Yes, segment tool. The answer key you can see here. The red color written is answers. Used to draw a segment. Which tool? Segment tool. Now, angle tool is given in your question. What is the use of it? Yes, the answer is used to find the angle. Now, which tool is used to find the intersection point? Very simple. Intersect tool is the answer. Now the fourth one, which tool is used to draw polygons in GeoGebra window? Very simple. The answer is polygon tool. So you have to complete this table by filling up the blank spaces. Now let us move to the sixth question. Teacher told Ammu to collect the details of maps for school exhibition. Okay, so this is a case or criteria given to you. Teacher told Ammu to collect the details of maps for school exhibition. So what you have to do? Help Ammu to collect the pictures from internet. So you all know how to collect the pictures from internet. I have given you in the notes. So how to collect pictures from the internet? Yes, step 1. First you have to open the web browser Firefox application internet Firefox. Then you have to step 2 type the keyword in the search box. Here what is the keyword? Yes, maps. Now step 3 press enter key and step 4 to search for images click on which icon? Yes, images icon. Okay, so hope this question is also clear for you. I have given you the steps in your notebook. Move on to the next question, the seventh question. Complete the table given below. So we'll check the question paper. The seventh question. Complete the table given below. So I have given on the left side symbols. You have to write down the name of the tools in the right side in these blank spaces. So in the left side, the first tool. What is this first tool? Yes, we'll check the answer key. The first tool is polygon tool. The answer is polygon tool. What is the second tool? You all know, very familiar to you. Yes, answer is angle tool. This is also very familiar to you. What is this tool? Yes, the answer is move tool. So I had told you in the Google Meet to study the symbols of chapter 5. Those symbols are very important. Okay, my dear students, so hope this is also clear for you. Now we'll move to the big question, the last question. 8th question. Identify the figure given below and answer the following question. Identify the figure given below and answer the following question. So I have given you a figure here. This is a figure. So you all know, and let us check the first question. Define the software which is used to draw the above figure. So which software is used to draw this figure? You all know, from the figure itself you can identify that which software is this. Yes, the answer is GeoGebra. Okay, and I have told you to define that software. So you all know GeoGebra is a software used to draw geometrical shapes such as triangle, rectangle, square, etc. Okay, and also it is used to observe the properties of geometrical shapes such as adjacent angle, finding opposite angle, etc. Okay, now we move on to the second question based on the above figure. Write down the steps to find the opposite angle in the above figure. So from the figure you can see there are 4 angles are here. Which one is the opposite angle? This one and this one, this one and this one. Okay, so I have shown you in the video itself how to find the opposite angle, and also I have given you in the notes. You all know that opposite angles are always equal. Here you check in this figure. Here 108 degree, here also 108 degree. So opposite angles are always equal. Here also 72 degree. The angle opposite to here also 72 degree. So the opposite angles are always equal. You have to write down that point and you have to write down the step. What is the first step? Draw 2 segments that intersect each other. Draw 2 segments meeting each other. Second step, find the intersection point using intersect tool. And the last step, find the opposite angle using angle tool. So this is very simple question. You have to identify this figure. So which software? Yes, GeoGebra. You have to write down the definition of GeoGebra. And what is the second question? You have to write down the steps to find the opposite angles. Okay, so first you have to draw 2 segments meeting each other. Find out the intersection point. Here it is E. Using which tool? Intersect tool. And using angle tool you have to find out this angle. So you will get the opposite angles as equal. Is it clear, my dear students? So hope all are clear about all the questions, and I hope all of you have done the exam very well. If you have still having any doubt on this question paper, you can contact me in person, or we will discuss in the next Google Meet session. So thank you very much, my dear students. So today we have discussed the questions on internal assessment. As a homework, you have to write down the questions and answers in your notebook. You can write down the questions and answers of your assessment on the back side of your notebook. Both questions and answers should written by you.